Welcome back, fellow visionaries. Today, we're diving into a powerful insight that shifts the conventional belief about success. Many think that merely working harder or longer hours will guarantee wealth and progress, but that's a myth we're busting wide open. Instead, we're focusing on what truly counts, not just your time, but where and how you channel your attention. Hit subscribe so you don't risk missing out on any future financial game-changing insights, and let's get started. Number 1. The true value of attention. Over time. While time is universally limited, how you focus your attention within that time can vastly differ and significantly impact your outcomes. It's not just about logging hours, it's about making those hours intensely productive. For example, a software developer might spend focused blocks of time on complex code, leading to innovative features that set their product apart from competitors. A sales professional could dedicate specific times for deep work, such as crafting personalized client proposals which are more likely to convert due to their tailored approach. An artist might find that concentrated periods of creativity yield higher quality work than longer sessions with frequent interruptions. Number 2. Minimizing distractions to maximize output. Reducing distractions isn't only about having a quieter workspace. It involves creating an environment where high-quality work can thrive. This includes both physical and mental clutter. Imagine a project manager who limits email checks to specific times to stay focused on critical path tasks, significantly speeding up project completion. A teacher planning lessons might choose to work in a library rather than a busy cafe to maintain high levels of concentration and effectiveness in lesson design. An executive might use techniques like meditation or scheduled breaks to clear their mind, allowing them to tackle complex problems with renewed focus. Number 3. The power of selective focus. Choosing what to focus on can be as important as the work itself. Prioritizing tasks that align closely with your goals will lead to more meaningful and impactful results. A real estate agent might focus on nurturing high-value client relationships rather than casting a wide net, which leads to higher quality listings and more successful closings. A health coach could concentrate on developing personalized nutrition plans for clients, which not only satisfies clients more, but also establishes the coach as an expert in personalized nutrition. A marketing team might focus on a few high-impact channels, like SEO and content marketing, instead of spreading themselves thin across too many platforms. Number 4. Cultivating a high-impact routine. Effective routines harness your best energy for your most important tasks, ensuring consistent output at the highest level. An entrepreneur might start their day by reviewing key metrics and prioritizing tasks, setting a clear focus and objectives for the day that drive the business forward. A musician could allocate specific hours for songwriting when they feel most creative, typically in the quiet morning hours, ensuring that this prime time isn't diluted by less important activities. A fitness trainer might schedule all client sessions in the morning when energy levels are highest, leaving afternoons free for business development and personal training. Each of these strategies emphasizes the importance of focused attention over mere clock time, suggesting that the smart allocation of your cognitive resources is what truly drives success and efficiency. By integrating these principles into your daily routine, you can not only enhance your productivity, but also achieve greater satisfaction and results from your efforts. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.